You've been saying bless you your whole life, but do you know why? The tradition dates back to ancient Rome. When people sneezed during the plague, it was often the first sign of infection. So Pope Gregory I suggested saying God bless you as a prayer to protect the person from death. Over time, it just stuck. Even though we're not dodging the Black Death anymore, we still bless each other with every sneeze. If someone sneezed near you today, would you still say bless you or let it slide? Stick around for more facts that make you go, huh?